The use of your vehicle also attracts risk and therefore impacts the premium. If you are office-based, driving from home to work and back again, otherwise using your vehicle for social and domestic purposes, is the use of your vehicle classified as private use. Some insurers do allow a set number of business trips you might have to make during any given months, such as attending ad hoc off-site meetings. Business use under your personal policy generally only allows a single person using the vehicle for business purposes. As soon as a vehicle is driven by multiple drivers for business purposes, are you moving into the commercial insurance territory? So be sure to discuss the use with your broker, financial advisor, or insurance consultant. Under the personal policy is business use typically for estate agents, reps, and many more occupations. The gist of business use is that your job function normally requires of you to travel multiple times a day to see clients at different sites. The reason for business use attracting a higher premium is because your vehicle is more on the road, which makes it more likely being involved in an accident. Furthermore, is your vehicle more susceptible to thefts and hijacking due to the increased exposure. Some types of business use will not be insured under your normal personal lines policy, and therefore always suggest you disclose how you use the vehicle for business use in order to ensure your underwriter accepts the type of business use. Some examples are fare-paying passengers, including people operating on Bolt or Uber. Vehicles used as armed response vehicles or any emergency type services, or vehicles carrying hazardous materials is also excluded. The reason for this is simply some risks are above insurers' risk appetite and therefore not willing to take on your specific risk. If the vehicle is used for business purposes outside of the borders of South Africa, would we recommend you consult with your insurer as to ensure they do allow for this, or alternatively have an optional cover available to cover you. Always remember to update the use of your vehicle when you change occupation or jobs, with a specific new job now requiring potential business travels. There are many variable types of uses in the market, but it is again best to advise to explain the use of your vehicle and allow for your insurer to advise you on the best possible cover. If your insurer can prove that the vehicle was used for business purposes, might they have cause to reject the claim if the prejudice is significant. Some insurance companies have professional use, which covers CAs, medical doctors, and other professional people for business travels they conduct. But again, it is based on each underwriter's prerogative, so do explain usage and they will advise you as to the appropriate cover. Remember, we are spoiled for choice in South Africa with insurance companies. Do the right thing and take advice from your underwriters. If you are not happy with the premium, then shop around and you are bound to find an insurance company that covers you for the appropriate use at a more affordable rate. As per our video on how premiums are calculated, do insurance companies' claims experience differ, and therefore would their pricing strategies also differ?